friends, and on the mix we have Dwayne. And Dwayne's speech is, she's wronged me, and I need justice for what she did to me. So, guys, you're going to have to go ahead and go catch the video to hear what he has to say about Donna and why he believed he was wronged. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. My lovelies out there celebrating all their wonderful birthdays today. Happy birthday. And I wish you prosperity and all that your heart desires this year. And for all my other lovelies and supporters, my friends, my followers out there, or whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day.
Work on your house, and you know same have asthma. Then how come you never know in condition? It no make no when she say no make no sense in it. I mean, how come you never know say in did mad all this time? And how come the first time you talk to Mr. Email you never afraid to go around in here? How come I only know when you go to go carry the, you know what she do right and stuff?
You know, I'm gonna go a little bit further. I wish there was a way to prove a lot of these things, because I feel like Donna should go to prison. I mean, I care. I feel like she should go to prison for taking advantage of vulnerable people like myself. I'm still vulnerable as I'm speaking to you guys right now. I have so many ailments. I'm sick as a puppy. And to know this woman, she told me a lot of lies so she could get my money, deceived me out of my government money that was given to me to maintain myself. She would go to prison. She should. She should. And plans, I don't care if you guys are upset. I don't care if you guys love her. Love her. I phone the woman, not mine. Listen, I need justice. Dwayne, I need justice. Me need justice. Me not chat phone. I need justice. I mean, not curse her. Cursing won't solve nothing. But I need justice. I am disabled. I am flipping disabled. I have so many ailments. Whether the money was given out or not, she attained it. She acquired it from me deceitfully. Tony, big up yourself. I want to not come back. Or tomorrow. Safe travels. Safe travels. She deceived me. And I need justice. I don't care what you guys say. She's not my mother. She's not. She wronged me. She wronged me. Me not talk for nobody else. And I will never... Her and Tammy Faye should go to prison. Her and Tammy Faye should go to prison. Because they took advantage of a lot of us who were vulnerable. That is why Tammy Faye invited me to come join them WhatsApp group. Because then she knew. I told her everything about me. I told her everything I was going through. I tell her about my brain tumor. I tell her about my stroke. I told her these things. They realized. Them realize. So what them do? Them pull me closer to them and suck up my little money. Especially that bitch Tammy Faye. Sucked up my little money. Donna more than Tammy. Donna more than Tammy, because I said about a couple months ago give Tammy, but Donna got a lot of the rest of them through parlor by giving me a name. It's fine though. I still want justice.
She tell the man, say, him go get X amount of money
right
to move on the camera. So when she do that now, the man have the expectation say, yeah, him gonna get something. But she never realized no, say, when she go on, they go give him the $2,000 now, the man didn't go give that kind of way there. That's why the man says she's a criminal. Because when she tell the man, say she go...
Tony, are you still here? I need a favor. Tony, are you still here? I need a favor.
And she never give to him. And then, here are, innocent right now. So, oh, you
No. Hold on there. When she first video him, because she wanted knowing to the public that him have sent him aware of money. Him not sick, him not mad. It's just that him living condition, him is a licensed electrician, it's just that life bounce him hard and rough, right? But when him realize the money where he was promised to get, him no get. So him start running away, say she a criminal, a scammer, go all of a sudden he mad.
No, but wait there. The next question I need to ask. As a licensed electrician, so when could I do with all of the money? Why he never have nowhere to go? But Donna, because obviously the man to live somewhere, you know, because if him not living at the house...
But you see man a walk about in them here, the trick that does some of them tell the man go stand up.
If Donna say all no.
Alright, this is like Miss Joanne.
Him say all no, him not going at the house. Donna say all no, him not going at the house. So you have an empty house sitting there. Donna idiot, you know. Donna give yourself, you know, that enough time, you know. Donna say, the part where Donna say, you know, so I never want to come on here because I'm afraid. I'm afraid the first time. Jesus, our Savior, no?
So just like Miss Joanne, may I say speaker, look here now. She like, when Miss Joanne first come on the program, Miss Joanne couldn't talk, you know. And Donna do all of the talking, you know. Until Miss Joanne get brave and she said the money where she say, forgive, she go get, she not get. So Joanne start run away, you know. To the point now, see what Joanne do, you know, go about her business, so then I go out there. So when Joanne said, no, put me on the camera. Still, Joanne said, me say, no, put me on the camera, me nah get no money, and you want it a sweet. Hear what Donna say? So you not get too much already.
Alright.
You have to listen them voice, you know. Listen them words, you know.
Woman, I get nothing.
Joanne said, no, put me on there because you want to get the money, me nah get none. Year Donna know, so you not get house already. So that means if you continue, put her up on the camera for the rest of her life. But she continue collect her. Joanne get her house already. She don't need nothing more. Listen to what them say, you know.
But when she talk about that someone, she go on to Joanne. She go directly for Joanne because in the argument, she want to bring up this argument with Timothy. She directly go up there to go confront the woman. She directly went up there because she never got there to go confront the woman to prove something to Timothy or whoever she want to prove something to. She wouldn't have no need to put no camera on the woman, but she never expects Miss Joanne would have deal with her, so. That's the thing. She never expects it because she feels that she a bully. So she feels that she go up there and put the camera on Miss Joanne can't say nothing. And Miss Joanne reach up to Miss Joanne and say, me no business again, you know. Miss say, me no want the pan of camera. Eh?
You know, Sonny, no one tricked me. Let me tell you something. I didn't even know about the video that Donna came out and did with those people. I knew nothing. I'm going to go up on YouTube. I'm going to hear somebody talk about it. And when I saw the headline, and the headline said, Donna, why did you lie? So I tapped on it. Asked them to find out. I knew nothing. No one tricked me. And then I'm going to look for the video for myself. I'm finding it. No one's tricking me. I took the decision to come out and speak about it for myself. No one, Lorraine, none of them, they can't trick me. Nobody can trick me. Sonny, I'm a one-man band. I'm in this world alone. I'm on social media by myself. I'll cost myself if I have to. You hear me? No one can, yeah, they can't. Trust me in this one. Sonia, you know, say, whether I had 5 people where I would still talk. I would. That's some mistake. I'm not stop. Hello? Hello? Me I talk.
Them people that sit down and talk about all the woman and grateful. Boy, don't have a beat to get
I'm
from
gonna
God.
speak.
Yeah, man. So somebody write it here, so there's no rest, no peace or rest for the wicked. The bad man them have her going like a robot. Yeah, true, and them she collect for.
Yeah, because you know, we are up to she now. She have to go.
Alright, so address the part of no speaker.
Wait,
She keep
she
on
have to
about
go
one
down
on.
now. She have to go sit down up here now and figure out how she go pay the man them down there. You know.
She just know she say when she left Jamaica she has spell her gut. That sound like a people in a phone that talk about charity. That not sound like a gunman them she attack. So no, she not have to walk with body girl when she in a foreign car. Them not know when she not go spell her gut. Her gut. So no we be she walk with bodyguard. And the man them when she broke bad. Cause if she say when she left she go spell her gut, she done a marry go talk everything.
Donna said things for appease the idiot them will follow her. People with sense know say appear rubbish Donna talk. Donna said things. When Donna come out with the paper about with cease and desist, me say, no sir, me have to laugh. For somebody with so much liar, and you come out with cease and desist will look fool like you. Donna no sense. Donna have no sense. Donna put herself in a some behind all. You know say a good lady. You should probably start with the transformer adapter them, you know. Let me tell you something, Donna have a whole heap on her chest, you know. She have a whole heap of things on her chest about her, you know.
Agreed.
You know, say Donna can't see it. Donna have a lot of things about her. Watch the right.
Alright, somebody.
You see, stress can make you put down by the way too. Right? And trust me, why she walked away from God? Because she knows she was deceiving her. She had to. She had no choice but to walk away. How are you going to be claiming holy? Then again, Paula, God have a, see you, Paula? You, Paula. It's people like Paula why I fear going to church now. I'm going to fear Christians for the rest of my life. I'm going to fear Christians. I fear them. I have to.
Email host been on the same land where Lico miss host. It only part of the land. Cause capture land. Okay.
What's your bride? Who come get the big man $2,000 with her big sword there?
Half a man sit down, sir. I don't talk so humble. Why? Hey, Donna wicked. Hey, Donna wicked. God know, me know people wicked, but no, so Donna I wanna, blessed Donna come to kill, steal, and destroy.
You could have heard the fear, me so they don't make me cry, you know, because I never know, I saw him say.
Cause look here, she start off with a good voice, you know. Go back and listen to it. She start with a good voice, you know, and then she just start back, ball for what?
Yeah, what you ball for? What you cry for? You don't hear what Sharika say. You don't hear what she say.
When them ball, then get more money. When them ball, don't want run some memories.
Yes,
I can't eat when you know what. When them ball, then get more money. Lord Jesus, watch how them a laugh off of doing money or so. People no can look how they laugh off of doing money. Doing can look at your money. Doing look at your money.
Doing love Auntie Donna so much. Pick up yourself, doing I love you too. Thank you very much to me, and I bless you. I'm a lover too, but you are not a lover.
Isn't that I'm chasing and know if somebody named Dewey? Dewey, come here. I want to chase your call your R.
That money is one of many other money. You hear me? And I feel deceived. I feel like my money was taken from me, was acquired from me, not taken, acquired from me under false pretenses. That's my money. Someone ever talk? To now know a doctor, 2 doctors she told us was surgeons, was made up characters. Why should I not feel away? That is one of my many thousands. When we get to our thousands. Do you hear me? Donna has collected thousands of my money. Thousands upon thousands. Me not care for no one talk for phone. Me want me a chat for me. Me a chat for my one. You hear me? Don't talk. That is your right to not speak. Your right. Me a chat. I'm speaking. Oh, do you guys know how much? Do you know how much money I've been saying go get that woman? A lot, a flipping lot. And to now know that my money was collected on the false pretense. We never talk, lie and what tell. You can continue to worship her and stroke her flipping ego. Hello, she's not my mother. I'm not gonna stroke her ego. We're not doing it. You do it for me and you. You can do it for the both of us. It's a win-win for Ona and a win-win for me. We're not doing it. I'm not doing it. Let me delete WhatsApp off my phone. I don't know what I call me for. How the hell do I even uninstall it? Ciao.
Sana, you alone love her. Me love her too. But me sure know she must hear when Donna said Dwayne. Dwayne.
I'm not mad. I'm not.
Dwayne. This look like Tracy take the battle with Dwayne and I take him money. Tracy said me love her too and you alone love her. How was she mean? Speaker, tell me what Tracy mean. Somebody can tell me what Tracy mean? Eh, this I take, she take Dwayne money and I take the battle with Dwayne.
No. What she try to say? She try to tell Dwayne, say Dwayne another only one will love Donna.
Oh.
He love Donna too.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
That's why she said that Dwayne and you alone love her and me love her too. And Donna
oh.
love her too.
Can me just say then I Dwayne she call her?
No,
oh.
If you listen to that, she try to say.
Okay.
Alright, I'm going again.
Money turn them in a fool. So tell me how I make them a laugh, so. Them have dinner today, and the day there.
Tracy, $12,000 from Dwayne who love Auntie Donna so much. Big up yourself, Dwayne, I love you too.
Do you hear? Dwayne who loves Auntie Donna. I'm telling you, I was a strong supporter of this woman. A very strong supporter. I was an advocate for Plank Nation. I was an advocate for Donna Gow's campaign. I was. I'm in a queue when I say I was. And to now know this woman hello?
Thank you very much to me. I'm a lover too, but you are not a lover. 10, 20, 30, 40. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000.
Hey, we know what you're counting there.
Tracy?
We know what you're counting there. What on there?
Dwayne love Auntie Donna so much. Big up yourself, Dwayne, I love you too. Thank you very much to me, and I bless you. I'm a lover too, but you are not a lover. 10, 20, 30, 40. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 10,000, 12,000, $12,000. You know, 10,000, 10. 1. Why you make me a chat for it? 3, we get nervous. 10,000. 4, 5, 10,000. Big up to you now to England. Thank you very much.
So right here, so did she say, how much did he say?
Tracy, $12,000 from Dwayne who love Auntie Donna so much. Big up yourself.
So we can call 1 set 12, 1 set 10. Let me go back again and see. If I that be here. Did you hear 12 toes or 10? Lord, you realize she used to ball every minute when charity money did I come rapidly? Yeah, cause the balling is when them ball then get more.
I don't know.
That's
No
what
feel away.
them
I
say.
don't know feel away.
When
I don't
them
know.
ball.
Then again, a lot of you should not. I don't feel away. Cause I'm not getting money. I give a lot of mine. I give a lot of my money. I'm gonna feel away. And then I go. I feel like if you go to prison, I need justice for all of my money. You got me this deceitfully. I need justice for my money.